Hello, you are highly welcome to another interesting topic: how to locate videos on my channel. Most farmers don't know how to get the videos that's already in the channel before they even subscribe. So in this particular video, I'm going to review to you how you're going to get the video easily so that you can watch them. Most of the videos that are already here before you subscribe to the channel are already there. Watch the video to the end so that you get them. I want to review this to you now. I will gladly ask you to watch this video till the end. Don't skip any track at all. If this is your first time of coming across this our channel, give this video a thumb up, subscribe immediately, and activate the bell notification so that anytime we release our video on this channel, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. This great app will give you notice that a video has been released. Even send a link of that video for you. If you want to watch it, you click and watch immediately. If you don't want to watch it, you click watch later. It's very important. And let me use this opportunity also to tell you how to get our video because of the questions we receive on the comment section. I want this, I want this. See, most of the videos you are requesting are already on the channel. Some of you are just new to the channel. This channel is over 1 year. The Poultry TV is over 2 years. Right away, most of the videos are already there. And I have almost over 300 videos on each of the channels. Over 300 videos. Check it. That's over 600 videos in the two channels. So most of the videos you are requesting are already on the channel. How do you get it? Click on the channel, open the channel, then go to playlist, channel playlist. If you get the playlist, you see different. The way I arrange my videos, it will be easier for even a starter, a fresher, to get my videos. Just open the channel, go to playlist, click playlist. Once you click playlist, you see different playlists. That playlist is just like table of content. You see organic poultry farming, you see feed formulation, you see different topics. This is just like the table of content. Each of the playlists you click has different videos inside them. If you want organic poultry farming, you see organic poultry farming topic there. That is the content name. Then if you go inside that organic poultry farming, you now see different videos on organic poultry farming. If you go to feed formulation and animal nutrition, you see different videos. Go to feed formulation, broiler farming, brooding and management, you see different videos on broiler farming tricks, broiler farming, and all they are there. So if you are looking for any topic, go to the channel list and click on playlist. Once you go to playlist, on the playlist you get all the videos. So before you even ask, if you don't know, if you can't do that, open the channel, then go to that sign that looks like a mirror, search, that is search sign. Click that search sign, type what you need, maybe feed formulation, type feed formulation, click search. You're going to bring out all the topics on feed formulation in that particular in my channel. That's what it means. Open my channel first before you click that search. It's going to bring all the videos on that feed formulation. You now choose the one you need. How many bags of feed is enough to rear 200 broilers? They are all there. How many bags of feed is enough to rear 1,000 layers? Are all there. How many bags of feed to rear 50 broilers? Are all there. Click on the search in my channel. You're going to get the topics you need. If you can't get them from the playlist, they are all there. But subscribe to both channels so that you get all the videos. Subscribe to this particular channel and the Poultry TV. You get all the videos.